emergency meeting. There's antivirus in Philippines. We're in Calasiao until Mindanao. Look at this. Until Caraga, Davao region. South later. Southern later Samar, Calabarzon, Batangas, Cavite, Rizal, Bataan. Malapit tayo sa Zambales, please lang. Manila, Nueva Ecija, Olongapo, thunderstorm alert. Storm alert. Please. It's now. Look at this. Ngayon lang, yung first comment. Walang please lang. Nandito tayo. Nandito lang tayo. Please lang. Itong area. Please evacuate. Don't leave this country. Just go to the islands, Palawan, like that. Davao City. But there's Ambon doon. Please go to Cebu, Bohol, Negros, Iloilo, Cadiz, Aklan, Antigua. Please. Meropa, Mindoro, Ilocos, Batanes, Baybuyon. Please. Just please. Just please go to this island. All of them. But not to the red part. Please.